Hi, my name is Mark Lester Disabili, and today I'm going to show you on how to use a multimeter in troubleshooting basic circuit faults in an electric motor. So here is our motor. It is a DC motor. Since we don't have an electric motor, we're gonna check if this motor is in good condition and if it's good to use. But before that, we have to calibrate our multi-tester first. Put it to 0 and check its continuity.
What we
Okay,
do
good.
here is go back.
Now we have to calibrate this. So in this is a DC motor. It is already in direct. It has a direct connection. So all we have to do is to check if there's a continuity in our DC motor. As you can see, with that we already know that there is a continuity in our DC motor. And now let's check if there is a ground by connecting our probe to the wire and the body of our motor. So let's check. No reaction. How about we move it to ×1? No reaction at all. So our DC motor is safe to use. Let's have let's check if our DC motor will work. Our motor is 3 volts, so we're using two 1.5 volts AA size battery. So it works. That means our DC motor is in good condition and is functioning well. That's all. Thank you.